Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the difference between binary coded decimal as well as the binary system. So what are the in this video I'm going to give the clarity about what is the importance of binary coded decimal and binary system and which is good and what are its advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so now let us try to see here. So at the right side I'm going to write the advantages of BCD and next one the binary system. Okay, let's try to see all the points one by one. Okay, so first one, let's try to see the meaning. So here all the decimal numbers of base 10 will be written in a 4-bit binary coded decimal. Here whatever may be the size of the number that will be represented only in binary numbers, either 1 or 0. Okay, let's try to see with an example, then we can understand. For example, we want to write down 25 to the base 10. Here also we want to write down 25. So here BCD is valid only from 0 to 9. So this is 25 which is not in the range of 0 to 9. Then you have to split 2 separately as well as 5 separately. Here directly we can consider. So for 2 we have to, for 2 is one decimal number and 5 is also one decimal number. When you write down the code for 4-bit code for this, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2 as well as 2 to the power 3. Similarly, then you are going to get 8, 4, 2, 1. Similarly, here also you are going to get 4 bits, 8, 4, 2, 1. How to write down the 2 here? 2 means 0, 0, 1, 0. How to write down the 5 here? 0, 1, 0, 1. So these are 4 bits and these are 4 bits. Totally 4 plus 4. To write down 25 number in BCD form, we are going to have 8 bits, but 25 is a one number which is nothing but in binary. How to write down this is this can be written as 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. So this I can write down as 8, 4, 2, 1. So here I want to get 25. So here I getting 16 plus 8 plus 1. So remaining are 0. So 16 plus 8 is how much? 24 plus 1, 25. So directly how many bits I have been using here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 bits I have been used in binary system. In BCD system, I have been used 8 bits, which is good. BCD system or binary system? Binary system is good. It uses only less number of bits. And here you can see the base. What is the base of the system? So here the base of the system is 2, but here the base of the system is 10. Here each decimal number, okay, so each, for example 25, each decimal number should be written in 4 bits, but here entire number we are writing in bits. So entire number we have been written in directly 5 bits. That's the main advantage. Okay, so here next advantage, to write down 25 number, how many bits we are going to need here? 8 bits. But to write down 25, how many bits we require here? 5 bits. So number of bits are also decreased. Okay, coming to this BCD system. So this BCD system is generally difficult. Okay, so with this very much difficult, we have to split into bits and you have to use more bits. But this is very simple to analyze. Okay, and this is very difficult. And if you want to perform any addition, subtraction, this is very complex, sir. Okay, but this is very simple to perform. And coming to the applications where we are going to use this BCDs in all our digital clocks. What you have in clocks is nothing but clock showroom or use BCD, and all your engineering calculators what we use are made up of BCD, and all the time display systems are made up of BCD. But coming to the binary, all the advanced computers, the Apple computers or these Windows computers, all use only binary system. All the computers as well as all the processing systems will use only binary system. So my analogy is the binary system is good Why? Because it's very simple base and less number of bits are required. It's very simple to calculate, and you have multiple applications of computer. So, but this BCD is having more number of bits and is of converting each decimal number into an binary bits. Okay, so this is consuming a lot of time and it's complexer to analyze. So, therefore, which system is good? I'd already given you an data. So which system is good is only BCD system is, I mean, a binary system is good. So already I have been done a video how to write down the BCD system. Okay, this is the way of representing in BCD and why 0 to 9 are only a valid, why the remaining are invalid. Okay, so 0 to 9 directly we can use only 4 bits, but when you are getting more than 9, so definitely you have to split it into two binary bit, two decimal, and for each decimal you have to write one 4 bit and one more 4 bit. So this is the main drawback with binary coded decimal, and this is the main advantage. We have less number of bits that are used in binary systems. Okay, so this is the main difference between a BCD system as well as binary system. If you feel my content is useful, please like the video, and if you have any doubts, let me know in our comment section. And to your friends, those who are studying the same subject, share this video which will be useful for them to study further. And still, if you're watching my channel without subscribing, subscribe to my channel with the name kvthulasi. Thank you for your time. We'll meet in another beautiful video. Yours, Ram.